Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you honest and simple reviews of the latest tech, drones, laptops, and gadgets that matter. If you've been waiting for a drone that feels like it belongs in the future, you'll want to hear about this one. Today, we're reviewing the Antigravity A1 drone, a powerful new release designed for creators, explorers, and anyone who wants a flying machine that's smarter, faster, and tougher. The drone industry has been growing quickly, but most models focus on either casual users or professional filmmakers. The Antigravity A1 tries to bridge that gap. It offers advanced features, stunning visuals, and a strong design while still being easy enough for beginners to handle. Let's go through everything that makes it special. Starting with the design, the A1 drone has a compact but rugged body. The frame is built from carbon fiber and lightweight alloys, which keep it durable without adding extra weight. It folds down easily for portability, making it convenient to carry in a backpack. The arms lock into place with a smooth mechanism, and the build feels premium. It's clearly made to handle rough conditions like wind, dust, and even light rain, with an IP rating for weather resistance. The camera system is one of the highlights. The Antigravity A1 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 8K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. For photography, it delivers 48 megapixel stills with impressive detail. The gimbal is a 3-axis system that stabilizes footage, keeping shots smooth even in tricky flight conditions. Dynamic range is wide, colors look natural, and low-light performance is surprisingly strong. Whether you're capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or action shots, the footage looks cinematic. The display feed is streamed to your controller or smartphone in crisp 1080p with very low latency. This makes it easier to frame shots and fly confidently, even at longer distances. The drone supports up to 15 kilometers of transmission range, with strong connectivity powered by next-gen wireless technology. The feed stays stable with minimal dropouts, even in areas with interference. Performance in the air is equally impressive. The Antigravity A1 uses upgraded motors that deliver powerful thrust, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 75 km per hour. Despite the speed, it's highly stable thanks to its AI-assisted flight system. Obstacle avoidance is built in on all sides, with sensors and cameras creating a 360-degree shield. The AI doesn't just stop the drone from crashing, it actively finds safer routes when flying in complex environments. Battery life is another area where the A1 sets itself apart. It packs a 7,000 mAh intelligent battery that offers up to 50 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's significantly more than many rivals, and it makes a big difference for creators who don't want to constantly land and swap batteries. Charging is fast too, with a quick charge system that gets you back in the air in about an hour. Smart features make this drone even more appealing. You get intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, Orbit, and Active Track. These allow you to capture professional-looking shots without needing expert piloting skills. The AI also supports subject recognition, so it can lock onto people, vehicles, or animals and follow them smoothly. There's even a cinematic mode that automatically adjusts flight patterns for more dramatic footage. For creators, the built-in editing features are useful. The companion app lets you trim, color correct, and apply filters directly before sharing. AI-based tools suggest the best shots from your flight and even create short highlight reels. This makes it quick to share content on social media without spending hours editing. Connectivity is reliable thanks to Wi-Fi 7 support and the dual-frequency transmission system. This ensures strong signal strength even in crowded areas. The controller feels comfortable, with customizable buttons, a bright screen, and smooth joystick control. You can also fly the drone with just your smartphone if you want a lighter setup, though the controller gives you more precision. Price and value are important to consider. The Antigravity A1 isn't the cheapest drone on the market, but its position is a serious competitor to high-end models like those from DJI. For the price, you get an advanced camera, long flight time, AI PAL, aired safety, and strong build quality. Compared to buying separate professional gear, it's still a great deal for what it offers. Now let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, you get premium build quality, a fantastic 8K camera, long battery life, advanced obstacle avoidance, and smart AI features that make flying simple. It's a drone designed for both creators and adventurers who want professional-grade results. On the downside, the price may feel high for beginners, and the size is a little larger compared to ultra-compact drones. While the AI features are excellent, they also require some learning at first, since the options can feel overwhelming. Still, once you get used to it, the experience becomes smooth. In the end, the Antigravity A1 drone is one of the most exciting drones available right now. It combines durability, intelligence, and creative power in one package. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who loves exploring the world from above, this drone delivers. With its strong performance and forward-thinking features, it sets a new standard for what drones can be in 2025. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We bring you honest reviews in simple words so you can make the right choice in tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the latest drones, laptops, and gadgets. See you in the next one.